Earlier today, I thought Blizzard was just screwing with me and just making monsters with automatic brand new talents that they never had before, and I thought, well, screw it, they must be screwing with me, but evidently they are actually screwing with me. I thought maybe no, they're not, but they are. Now I mean, I can't even kill this guy. Second time this has happened. I mean, this thing does not die, has no health, sits here and beats on me. As you can see, my health keeps going down. Even my on-hit procs, when hit, this thing does not die. No death. It doesn't trigger anything. Does not die. Just follows me around beating the crap out of me. Thank you, Blizzard.